आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the displacement time graph for two sound waves A and B are shown in figure. Then the ratio of their intensities IA by IB is equal to. So basically, how we are going to find it? Basically, if you see the frequency of A is basically, let's suppose, so firstly let's write the frequency of B. Frequency of B is what? Frequency of B is basically, let's suppose. Firstly, let's write the frequency of A only. Let's suppose frequency of A is F. So frequency is what? Number of beats in 1 second, number of waves in 1 second. So basically, if you extend this, it will go somewhat like this. And between this, meanwhile, this wave will complete one more wave, because if you see, when it completes one half of its motion, this A wave, then B wave completes one whole motion. So if you see, then if F means one whole motion is completed, that means FB will be equal to 2f. Why? Because during one whole motion of A, B completes two motions. Okay, means two waves. So basically we'll see this. So now also we will write the amplitudes. Okay, so the amplitude of A will be equal to what? Amplitude of A is basically 2. You can see over here, quite understood. And amplitude of B is what? Amplitude of B is basically 1. Okay, so now what we're gonna write, if we compare two intensities of two waves, okay, comparing intensities of two non-coherent waves basically, how we give it, how we give the ratio is that we give it by I1 by I2 basically. Over here, firstly let's write the equation. I1 by I2 is equal to F1 by F1 square by F2 square into A1 square by A2 square. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, where A is the amplitude, F is the frequency, I is the intensity. Okay, so this is the formula that we're going to use over here. So how we are going to use? We are going to use IA divided by IB must be equal to IA divided by IB will be equal to FA square AA square divided by FB square into AB square. So what will this come out to be? FA square is basically what? F of A is basically F. Okay, if you see over here, I have written everything. F of FA is 1 and FB is 2. So basically F square divided by 2F whole square. Okay, multiplied by AA square. AA is basically 2, then squared, and 1 square. Okay, so this will come out to be what? This will come out to be 1 by 1. So if we find out that IA is to IB is what? Okay, so we will from here we can see that IA is to IB is basically equal to 1 is to 1. Okay, so basically if you see over here, intensity is not only dependent on intensity of two waves. Basically if we compare, it is not only dependent on only amplitude, it is dependent on frequency also. Okay, if they are non-coherent. So our answer will be option number D, which is 1 is to 1. Got it? Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।